Muhammad from Malaysia.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salam.
What is the ruling on Sharia-compliant insurance company?
Sharia-compliant insurance companies, theoretically, they're fine. We have to look into what they practice. Most banks, financial institutions, insurance companies that claim they have a fatwa that is Sharia compliant, they do have a fatwa. And the scholars who gave them the fatwa gave it to them over their face value. Sheikh, if we do this and we do that, is that Sharia compliant? The Sheikh looks into it theoretically, says, yes, it is Sharia compliant. Go ahead. Now, to implement it, as they say, the devil is in the details. They tend to bend the rules, if not break them. They tend to camouflage their transactions, and whenever someone complains, I have a fatwa. Yes, but this is not what the Sheikh has given you fatwa. So, in theory, we have cooperative insurance, Sharia compliant, and we have commercial conventional insurance, non-Sharia compliant. The non-Sharia compliant says, give us a premium of $1,000 for your car, for your health insurance, for property, for whatever. And we'll cover it up to $100,000 a year. And if nothing happens during the year, you lose your $1,000. And if anything happens up to $100,000, we will cover you. Even if we don't have the funds, even if we are stone broke, because everybody had some loss and we have to pay everybody and we don't have the cash, but we will borrow through riba. It's none of your business. We will cover you up to $100,000. This is haram. This is gambling. The Sharia compliant say, okay, who's in? 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 people come and put their money for their property, for their medical insurance, for their life insurance, for their car insurance. And we have a portfolio. We have a pot that we put all the money in, theoretically. So anyone who has a need or an emergency or an accident, we allocate from this pool to him until we run out of cash. So even after 6-8 months down the line, you have a car accident and you come and say, okay, I have a car accident, I need $3,000 to fix it. Here are the papers and the accident papers and the likes. Sorry, we ran out of funds. We don't have money. It's none of my business. I gave you $1,000 at the beginning of the year. You gave $1,000 as cooperative insurance. We are cooperating to help one another, not a guarantee that you'll get a payback for it. You're not paying to get something in return. This is a grant. And if it exceeds what we want, we may return it back to the people or reinvest it to do it, but there's no guarantees. So this is halal. Is it applicable? No. To my knowledge, the vast majority of cooperative Sharia-compliant insurance companies have in their policy and procedure that if there were a chance that for force majeure or for any natural disaster or anything, the money depleted, the shareholders who are investing will pump in a loan that we will give them through murabaha, through musharaka, through whatever, with interest in the future, because they know they're going to make it up. And this is not halal, but this is not the time to talk about it.